Hi all my crafty friends. Today I will be working on a personalized gift for my niece. This is a simple gift idea for your family, friends, co-workers, or a Secret Santa gift. I purchased a black frame from Dollar Tree for this project, and I also got these cork squares from Michael's for only $5.99 for 4. I placed the first cork square directly on the glass of the frame. I then cut down the other pieces so they would fit around the frame. It did take a bit of cutting to get all the pieces to line up with the frame. I used hot glue to glue everything to the glass in the frame. I had this buffalo plaid faux leather I got from Michael's that I thought would look amazing on the cork part of the board. After I cut it to size, I used the spray adhesive from Dollar Tree to attach the faux leather to the cork. By using this spray, I didn't have to worry about the hot glue not letting the faux leather lay flat. I sprayed the entire back of the faux leather and then put it onto the cork. I wanted to decorate the plain black frame some, so I used this burlap ribbon I had on hand and went around the inside edge of the frame with it using my hot glue gun. To give the frame more of a finished look, I used some natural nautical rope from Dollar Tree and ran it around the frame where the burlap ribbon met the frame. This just helped to cover up the edge. And again, I used my hot glue gun to attach it. I didn't like the way the rope looked in the corner, so I used some more ribbon that I had on hand and made a small bow for the corner. I turned the frame over and measured in 1/2 inch on each side. I used some more of the nautical rope and glued it to the back to make a hanger. I used my Cricut and found this funky little font to cut out my niece's name in white permanent vinyl. I was going to leave it just like this because I have never tried my secret trick on faux leather. But then I thought, why not? I applied a thin piece of fabric over the vinyl letters and used my iron. I did turn the temp down since I was working with faux leather and I didn't want to burn it. I would iron a little and check it. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't burning the leather. It actually worked great. You can't really tell in the video, but the vinyl did the same thing it does on wood. It melted into the faux leather and looks like part of it, not just vinyl stuck on it. I think Abby will be excited to get this cute corkboard for her dorm room next year. I just wish I would have had some girly colors, but to be honest, she's not a girly girl, so she will probably love the red and black buffalo checks. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out weekly home decor DIYs, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.